So before we add in my extensions, we are going to do an Olaplex treatment because my hair is so damaged. Good morning guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. I am currently in the Starbucks drive-thru and boy, I can tell you how excited I am to have finally left my house. Got a plain bagel and an iced coffee. This is just a grande iced coffee with chestnut praline and a little splash of cream. Delicious, my first Starbucks in so long. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am vlogging on my new camera. This is the Canon M200. I really do like it so far. I think my favorite part is the fact that it has that interchangeable lens. So if I do want to swap out to a wider angle lens, I have the option to do that. And it's also lightweight, compactable, and a lot faster. And the screen flips up instead of to the side, which I so much more prefer. But anyways, I am at the hair salon. I'm about to go in. This is the last time you're gonna see me with any lightness left in my hair, and hopefully if my extensions came in, I'm also gonna be getting hair extensions. So I'll see you guys in a bit. It is way later and I am home now and I have long freaking hair. Guys, this is so exciting for me. I have wanted long hair for so long, and after it got so damaged from bleaching it and being light for so long, it just feels so healthy to actually have color back into it and to have a full head of extensions. Like, I just feel like I have so much hair. This is gonna take some time to get used to. Like, look how long it is, because my hair has really honestly never been this long before. But I absolutely love it. It's such a pretty chocolate brown color, although it looks so much darker right now. It's like the lighting in here, it almost looks black, but I promise you it's not. It's actually just a really dark brown. And if anyone is wondering or cares, I have tape-in extensions, and these are like the least damaging, and you can still wear your hair up and honestly wash it like normal, do whatever you want. They are like the best kind of hair extensions. And because I do have a lot of breakage, I got two products to help with that. So this is the Olaplex treatment that I can do at home. And then this is a bond smoother. So this is kind of like a leave-in conditioner for damaged hair that's also like a styling cream. I love Olaplex. It's honestly like a miracle treatment for damaged hair. Got some packages in the mail, and I don't get anything in the mail anymore without doing an unboxing because it is content, people, and we need content. First thing is from Urban Outfitters, just a gray hoodie, because apparently I can't stop buying hoodies. They were having a huge like 50% off sale. This is an Urban Outfitters brand. What is it? Hold on. What is the brand? Standard Cloth. This little symbol, but it's just an oversized gray hoodie, and it's so cozy. I'm gonna try it on right now because I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. These hair extensions are wild. This is so weird though to see me with such long hair. It's like such a drastic difference, and my hair looks so dark, you guys. I don't know why it looks so dark. I'm looking at it and it's a dark brown color. On camera, it looks black. I'll show you up close so you can see. It's dark brown, not black, I promise. I don't know why my camera wants you guys to think my hair is black. Anyways, the other package I opened up immediately. I actually thought it was something else, and it was PR from Loops, which is a brand that does skincare. I'm just like obsessed with the packaging. How beautiful is this bag that it comes in, and it says these are face masks for bedtime, nap time, or couch time. And it just comes with a bunch of different face masks, and I will link these below. It says they're firming, moisturizing, nourishing, and relaxing. I'm very excited to try this face mask. I will definitely do this tonight. The other package I also already opened, but I wanted to show it to you guys anyway. This is also a PR package from Loops, which they emailed me back in November and said they were going to send me something, and I was like, oh sure, I would love that, because you know I was planning on getting a new phone. This was before I even got my phone, and I'm just now getting it though. So Loopy makes phone cases with like a little loop on the back. Here's what it looks like. so freaking cool. It's like a black leopard, and then this is like the black loopy, but then they also sent a little white loop so you can switch it out. In fact, I think I'm gonna put the white one on there because I feel like the white will look better. These are very difficult to get out. I'm gonna have to look on their website and see exactly how to remove this because the last thing I want to do is mess up. And then the last package is this big one, and this is inventory for Sun Bunny, but it's something really exciting. More comfy clothes, of course. These are gonna drop on Friday, I believe, and they are so soft. And they have a hood, so cute, and a zipper, and this is like the nice like plastic zipper, which I love. It's like, I don't know, so nice. Pockets in the front, big fluffy sleeves, and of course a hood. We love this. I know you guys are gonna love them. So that is it for packages. Now I'm going to wrap more Christmas presents because I had more gifts come in the mail. I did a lot of Christmas shopping online when I was in quarantine. I had to watch a video because it was a little bit tricky, but I figured out how to switch the loopy band, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Guys, I don't know what happened to the time, but it is now 9:00 p.m. And even though it's only 9, I'm like just feeling like I could literally pass out on the couch right now. All the cozy vibes right now. I love this. I was reading the comments from my Q&A where I told you guys about me deciding not to go back to school. And I just want to say thank you so much for your guys' support. The comments meant the world to me. So many of you guys just told me that you support me and love me and will continue watching my videos despite the fact that you do miss the college content, and I can't tell you how much that means to me. Look who decided to join me. My sweet baby. Well, I know this vlog was short and I'm sorry. There was really not much to my day today, but I am about to go get in bed and read my book. And by the way, that book is actually so good. I'm really enjoying it so far. It's probably gonna be a book that I finish really quick because I'm already almost halfway done and I've only read it 2 nights so far. It's the one that I got from my Book of the Month subscription. But anyways, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video.